Coffee with Alan. We're going to talk about Panama Signature Blend. Alan, do you want to talk about what's in the blend?
Yeah, as Panama Signature Blend, we have joined Panama and Ethiopian in this blend. It's not only from Panama. The Ethiopian coffee we're using is mainly from the Cup of Excellence winning farm. So we're using mainly the very high-end coffees, and the Panama coffee we was using in this blend is mostly from the best of Panama winning farms, and they give you this two origin is, in my opinion, is a really good relation, so they can be structured really well in the blend.
So to me, when I hear Panama coffee, I think the first thing that it pops in my mind is like geisha. And a lot of the high-end coffee actually comes from Panama, right?
Yes.
So you're using that in a blend.
Yeah, it's as a lot of people remembers the Panama geisha because they're very famous around the world. But the geisha is not only the variety they are growing in the farm, they also have a lot of Katura, Katuai, all these classic varieties. They're also really good because they have red altitude, white soil, red weather. It's heaven for all the coffees, not only geisha. And the Ethiopian is the same because that's the motherland of the coffee. So they have so many different varieties. Some varieties we don't even have a name for it. So it's very complicated like taste, and also this two country is joined together. It's giving you a lot of possibilities.
So because we're buying a huge container and it's not just for New Zealand use, so that's why we can get it in a really, affordable price.
Yeah, we actually buying a lot of best of Panama coffees every year in the auction, and also same for the Cup of Excellence coffees. So that's the really good platform for us to source our high-end coffees. But after I done that, I realized all these high-end coffee farms, they not only have the geisha or competition coffees, they also have some reasonable price coffee, which we can actually buy at the same time to combine the shipping cost.
So that means that we can buy those coffees, and then in the end we can make it into a very affordable blend.
Yeah, so we can mixing them to a really value blend, and because we're buying the whole container directly from the farm, there is also no trader in between. So the farm and us is help each other every year. So we also support farms with like color sortings, different technologies. So it's more like a win-win situation. So we're getting better coffee every year, and we pay them better money every year, whatever we can.
Yeah.
So they feedback us a very good, different, better and better coffee every year. So our Panama Signature Blend is keep updating every year as well. It's depending what ingredients we actually able to get from all different farms. So rather than stay exactly the same, which we cannot really stay exactly the same, because as a coffee is a plant,
it's like vegetables and fruits. Yeah.
So we just choose the best ingredients we can get every year, try to get the best blend all from the ingredients we have. So, but we still keep Panama and Ethiopian as the most origin we getting coffee from.
Cool. I'm really looking forward to how this is going to upgrade things.
Yeah, keep trying. Thank you.
Oh.